Thinking your car insurance will always pay? Not so fast. Here are the top reasons car claims get rejected and how you can avoid it. Number one, non disclosure or dishonesty. If you leave out details like previous accidents, regular drivers, or where the car sleeps, your car claim can be rejected. Always be upfront. Number two, if the driver was unlicensed or under the influence of forbidden substances, the insurer won't pay. Number three, missed premiums. If your debit orders are unpaid, your cover can lapse. Number four, a car that isn't roadworthy. Think smooth tires, faulty brakes, no lights. These can lead to a rejection. Maintain your vehicle. Number five, using your car for something it is not insured for, like using a personal vehicle for Uber or deliveries.